I don't want to scare you, but getting an education loan in India is not easy. This particular video is more like a summary. This video will give you an overall understanding of loan process and the document required for education loan so that you would know how to get an educational loan in India. So guys, let's face the reality. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है, every bank and NBFCs will have their own pros and cons. No option is 100% perfect. One bank may give you higher loan amount without collateral with higher interest rate, but the other one may reduce the interest rate but will also reduce the loan amount, which is lesser than you required. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Backpack Scholar by Sharath. I hope you guys are doing good. So today in this video I am going to speak about how to get an educational loan in India. So without any delay, let's begin. I don't want to scare you, but getting an education loan in India is not easy. This particular video is more like a summary. Basically, there are two types of people. One who compares product before buying it and check reviews online. I'm sure it must be taking time to you to purchase any product in general, versus the other who just go and buy the product without even doing any research, like watching an ad on television or online platform, and you are like, just okay, it's a good product, I'll just buy it. It is okay जब तक वो 2 या 4 हज़ार की बात हो, but when it comes to lakhs, like 20-30 lakhs, you should do a proper research, and especially if you are particular about getting the best, you have to do efforts and a proper research. As I said, when you start registering for your language test exams like IELTS and TOEFL, your data will get leaked and you start getting calls from several banks. Now someone who doesn't research, he or she will be like, oh, I'm getting calls from several banks, so it's not that much hard to get loan from the banks. Guys, please understand, the bank who gives you best product will never call you. You have to go by yourself and talk to them on call or on from their website, or you can go to their banks. In such banks you will get a better rate of interest compared to other one. The first thing you should do is like checking your loan eligibility. So in the description box I will give you the link of loan eligibility. You can just click on the link and check your loan eligibility. Are you eligible for the loan or not? There are three options where you can take an education loan. First is government bank, second is private bank and third is NBFCs. आप जैसे बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता होगा कि NBFCs क्या है. I will talk about it further in this video. So first let's start with government banks. Government banks like SBI, PNB and Union Bank, which offers collateral education loan with a lower interest rate and with a lower processing fee, but it is slightly complicated. इनका जो लोन प्रोसेस होता है वो थोड़ा सा complicated होता है compared with other banks. Second option we have is private banks like IDFC, ICC and Axis Bank, which offers non-collateral loan with slightly higher interest rate and higher processing fee, but the loan process is faster compared with government banks. Third option we have is NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, जो कि है Auxilo, Credila and Avance. These financial companies are regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, so you can have trust on them. जो ये NBFCs है आपको क्विक लोन प्रोवाइड करता है विदाउट एनी कोलेट्रल, बट द rate of interest is higher compared with normal banks, and one can get a loan within a week, which is 7 working days. Let's come to the process when you apply to a government bank. So the process when you apply to a government bank. So the first step is the financial manager will let you know the scheme name and all the detail which are important for you, like collateral margin, how much loan will you get on collateral margin, loan margin, how much amount bank expect you to bring in from your end. Then the interest rate, processing fee, repayment tenure, everything and all the parameters are different for each bank. On the other hand, in private banks and NBFCs, you can apply loan from their online website and you will get a call from their agent within 24 hours. Documents asked from the bank for both private and NBFCs. I have noted down the documents which are required from the applicant. So the first thing is all the mark sheets of your 10th, 12th and graduation. Next is the offer letter from the universities and IELTS score or TOEFL if applicable. Next is copies of your passport, Aadhaar card and PAN card. Document required for your co-applicant or co-borrower. If the person is salaried, then the copies of Aadhaar card, PAN card and 3 months salary slip plus latest 6 months bank statement. If your co-applicant or co-borrower is a self-employed, then the documents which are needed are copies of Aadhaar card, PAN card, 2 years ITR, latest 6-month bank statement, office GST registration certificate for your business proof. So that is it for today's video guys. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड मिलते हैं जल्द अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे.